Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. I did an unboxing video for these two 34-inch ultra-wide monitors by Samsung. They were nice enough to send those over, unboxed them, and watch that video if you want to. Also, a part of my whole office makeover, I also got sent a mouse and keyboard by our good friends over there at Logitech. Now, I'll leave links in the description for everything, but yeah, I have this new Logitech G502 X Plus gaming monitor with light speed and light sync. And then I also have this very cool G19 TKL gaming keyboard. I believe TKL stands for tactical, you know, the new tactical buttons they got in here, and with light speed and light sync as well. Now, I love the white and silver combo on these because it matches the monitors that I have behind me. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. This is just an unboxing and setup. I'll unbox it, set it up, and be on my way. All right, guys. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, let me slice there and there. Okay, and would you look at that? Let me take the plastic off of here. And let me bring that in for a closer look. All right, and we're getting a better look at it close up. I believe this is the Lightspeed logo. Okay, Bluetooth, brightness probably. Loving the brushed aluminum in the back. You guys see that? Dope. Ooh, volume knob, gotta have that. And the media controls, and everything's laid out here. For those of you number crunchers or paying bills, no number keypad on here. This is a gaming keyboard, but you do have your numbers up there just in case. Okay, let's look at the back here. And yeah, my serial number there. And then these fold out to give you a little elevated positioning. And it looks like we have some rubber feet here on the bottom. Nice. All right, and I'm super excited to use this. Looking good. All right. Let's see what came in the box. Okay, I believe this is our micro, what? Who still uses micro USB? Anyways, micro USB cable here. Little instruction booklet. Logitech decal. And other information. And then we have your dongle right here that we'll use to pair the keyboard. All right, let's open the mouse. Get a good look at this. Okay, keep playing. Okay, and here we have it. Ooh, nice little clickety clacks, clickety clack. Wow, it's light. Actually, wow, that feels good. Bring it in a little closer. All right, here's a closer look at the G502 X Plus, and that is a sexy beast. Yeah, I'm digging that. We'll have a little RGB action down here. Now, like I said, this is just an unboxing. Not gonna get into all the super geeky tech specs, but yeah, look at all the buttons. You got one here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, and then these two plus the scroll wheel, and I believe you could push down on the scroll wheel. What? A little bit more plastic there. And this other tab here. And then that will reveal the charge port. That's where you go ahead and plug in to charge. Nice. All right. Now, what else do we got here? We have the dongle. There's another button cover here. I believe this is magnetic. You could pop that off and put this there in place in case you don't want to use it. That's why it's the same gray color as the side right there. So I believe we can pop this off. Okay, so I took that piece off. Okay, then we turn it around and it magnetically pops in. So you see that? No button used. Entirely up to you. Yeah, I like that low profile if you're not going to use it, and it's the same color, blends in, nice. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay, move the dongle. What else we got here? Our charging cable. Oh yeah. And your instruction manual, decal, and information. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in that keyboard and get it all set up. All right, so I plugged in the receiver and turned the keyboard on, and boom, that was it. I had to download G-Hub, Logitech G-Hub, so I could see my keyboard here. Pretty cool. The battery level 99%. It says I have approximately 40 hours before I need to charge it again. That's pretty darn good. Low battery mode here, it'll start breathing red when low battery is upon us. Dim effect, brightness 70, I changed to 75%, start after 1 minute, all lights off after 15 minutes of inactivity. So that's good, sounds about right. And yeah, all the settings here when you make your little account and all that stuff, apps, my gear, automatic updates, check for updates, pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the mouse. All right, so I plugged in the dongle for the G502X Plus, recognized it right away, and yeah, there is a plethora of options here. Whether you want to do your light sync, the DPI settings, how you want the colors to pulsate. It's actually very, very cool the way it cycles through different colors. Not bad. Color wave, horizontal, nice. As you can see, primary click, DPI up, scroll left, second click, middle click, like all this is just bonkers. And you can see the two devices here. Like I said, this isn't a super deep dive into it. This is just to show you it's all connected, clicked up, ready to go, and super awesome. I love this over my previous setup, believe me. And I'll show you what I was rocking before. All right, and here is the new mouse and the new keyboard, rocking and rolling, all set up, ready to go. It's more aesthetically pleasing, that's for sure. And the keys, let me do that. Let me put the mic here so you can hear. Okay, now I'm gonna bounce over to my mechanical keyboard. All right, so here's my old setup, and yeah, let's hear the mechanical keys versus the tactile, quieter keys. You noisy, noisy bastard. And that's my old trackball that I've been rocking since 2002. But anyways, both of these are cool. I love them. They're great. It matches and goes with everything a lot better than what I had before. But overall, I'm very, very pleased. You guys got any questions or anything? Let me know. Again, this was just an unboxing. All right, guys.